What's good, YouTube? So today, y'all know we back with another SB video, and today we're gonna be reviewing the GLOCK switch. Realistically, y'all, this is not the actual switch. We device switch you get $3, but anyway, shoot this real fast. It's a switch.
So fuck it, I'm tired. Been on the drill when knowing you shot got killed. I'm just keeping it real. Have you ever been in that car with your homie who don't got the wheel? He can't slide, he need him a pill. He a bitch, it is what it is. That's your mans, you tryna uplift. But when it's one time, niggas ain't gon' do shit. The niggas ain't sliding no more. The ops outside, and them niggas ain't had no more. Well, I guess we hit the gas no more. You see a nigga kill your brother, your ass just go. When the fuck we start, give me passes though. If you don't wanna shoot, just pass it though. Fuck y'all wearing them masses for. Niggas got guns, they ain't gon' go. Yeah, I know a rich nigga homeless, got me a deal, I ain't homeless. I'm a real nigga for life, and I ain't tryna risk my life. I was down bad on my dick, and the nigga ain't take my advice. I was tryna make my night, but the purpose that's ruined my life. Spend a whole M on my children. I was fucked up eating meal plans. Lambo dark and the steel tin. Money on the way and I'm still rich. I fell off once and I'm still lit. Boys to the streets, it's real shit. I did a little time and they tell shit.
What the fuck is 8? 6700.
You want me to show you how this shit go? You hang with us, we burn you out. Oh, you smell of smoke. You can try to take my bitch, I fuck your bed, so what you been here, you don't nobody know. Let me know what's up with us. Ain't no problem cracking heads. We don't pop it on stereo, that's what we last shit you did. And since that did party shit, I looking like shit. You go crazy, get that drop, I swear the first to get it in. Them boys ain't never going whack shit. Them niggas